My teacher, Ajahn Chah, after some years after I was there started to be, and a couple of other friends who started with him in the 1960s, there started to be a group of other Westerners who came to study with him because he was a very wise and kind of remarkable teacher. And so he decided, after about 5 years, to open a monastery that was for Westerners alone, where the language was in English, because a lot of people came who weren't able to understand the Lao and Thai local languages. So they found a village nearby that was interested, and they built this beautiful kind of bamboo monastery in the forest for these people, little huts and a place to meet. And then after a couple of years, just around this time of year, in the main hall of that new little forest monastery, some of the monks put up a Christmas tree. This disturbed the villagers, who went to complain to Ajahn Chah after a bit, and they said, here we cut the bamboo and built these buildings, and we feed them, we give them food in their alms bowl every morning, we care for them, and we thought they were becoming Buddhists, and now they put a Christmas tree in the meditation hall, and what's going on here? So Ajahn Chah said, we should do something about this. So he called the monks over and the villagers and had a kind of meeting the way one might. And he listened to the villagers again. They recited their concerns. And then he asked the monks and nuns from the West who were there, he said, I want to understand what this holiday means. And they talked about it a little bit, and he listened, and he said, oh, it's a holiday of generosity where people are giving to one another. It's a holiday of care and compassion. It's a holiday of renewal. It's a holiday of moving from selfishness to selflessness. He listened. He said, all right, he said to the villagers, you're right. They shouldn't be celebrating Christmas. How about if we call it Chris Buddhimus? And they have been celebrating it ever since there in that particular monastery.